In this video tutorial I will show you how to recover your Clash Royale account. To begin the account recovery process, open the Clash Royale app and create a new account. This step is necessary to access the game's settings and support features. Once you have created a new account, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Help and Support. This will open a list of frequently asked questions and support options. Under the Account section, tap on Recover Your Account. This will take you to a page where you can select the option I lost my account. Carefully read through the instructions provided on the screen and follow the steps accordingly. If you are still unable to recover your account using the provided instructions, tap on the Contact Us icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Leave a Message. Here, start a new conversation. Then select Login and Supercell ID issues as the topic of your inquiry. Then, choose Recover My Account as the specific issue. Fill out the form with the requested information, including your in-game name, player tag, and any other relevant details. Be sure to describe your issue in detail so that the support team can assist you effectively. After submitting the form, the support team will review your request and respond to you as soon as possible. They will work with you to verify your account ownership and guide you through the recovery process. Please note that the recovery process may take some time, and the support team may require additional information or verification steps to ensure the security of your account.